where bright leaves gently sway. Lila and Milo set off on an adventurous day, with a giant green leaf held high like a shield. Their playful umbrella protects in the wild field. Raindrops sparkle as they peek out with glee, sharing secrets beneath their leafy canopy. The jungle bursts with colors as the rain begins to play, while Lila and Milo laugh and dance the storm away. Tiny critters scurry under the umbrella's cool shade, joining the duo in a joyful merry parade. Vines and blossoms shimmer as the rain softly falls, creating a magical canopy that enthralls. With every step the leaf umbrella sways in time, making every moment feel like a perfect rhyme. Lila giggles as Milo twirls under the drizzling rain, their laughter blending with nature in a jubilant refrain. Animal friends peek from behind leafy green boughs, cheering for the duo with delighted happy vows. The jungle floor sparkles with each playful muddy splash, as Lila and Milo leap and twirl in a jubilant. With a leaf umbrella as their trusty verdant guide, they journey through the jungle with hearts open wide. As the rain subsides and a rainbow begins to appear, Lila and Milo's leafy adventure fills the jungle with cheer.